Nicole Janae. If you're interested in learning how I achieve my everyday wash and go routine and get these curls, then keep watching. Okay guys, I'm getting ready to start styling my hair. My hair is dripping wet. I just co-washed it and now I am going to jump right into styling. Here we go. I'm not gonna section my hair yet. I'm just gonna try to get some leave-in conditioner throughout my strands, like this. A bit more. And as you can see, the curls have already begun to form. My hair was soaking wet when I started, but I'm applying more water because my hair has to be dripping wet to define my curls, and it just works best for me. I'm focusing the conditioner on my ends because it's the oldest and driest part. During this time, this is when I'm really just focusing on smoothing the conditioner into my hair. Smoothing it like this. See? Just smoothing it in. So I am done applying the leave-in conditioner to this side. Now I'm going to apply to the other side, and then I'm going to go in with my gel. During this time, I really just like to examine my hair. I'm applying my product on freshly washed, conditioned, and detangled hair, so it makes the styling process very simple and very easy. As you can see, with just the leave-in conditioner alone, my hair is pretty defined. This other side over here. Guys, I got a little carried away with the water bottle, so now I can't see out of my mirror. So let me clean this really quickly so that I can see what I am doing. Okay, let's try this again. got one little section, and see this one is starting to dry a little bit already. It does not have enough product in it, so I'm gonna go in and smooth that leave-in conditioner in. I'm gonna massage the water in it, make sure it's nice and wet. Curling. And really, like I said, just focusing on these ends to define my curls. And I know when my hair has enough product, when my hair feels very, very smooth, if that makes sense. When I run my fingers across it, it should feel just really, really smooth. That's how I know that it has enough conditioner, and that's how I know I'm really gonna have a good wash and go. See these ends over here, I don't know if you can tell, but they don't feel as smooth as the side I just did. So I'm gonna go back in, focus the water on the ends of my hair, and just take a little bit more conditioner and just smooth it through. This is the front of my hair, so I'm really just making sure this has enough product and we are good. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like after the I was gonna say deep conditioner. This is what my hair is looking like after the leave-in conditioner is applied, and normally I would just stop at this step and air dry. This is what I've been doing all summer long, just reaching for a cream or a leave-in, raking it through and just letting my hair air dry. But for this look, I want my wash and go to last more than a couple days, and I want my curls to last and be more defined. So I'm gonna go in with this Weedad Advanced Climate Control, and it's a heat and humidity gel. Clean my mirror again. So much water on it. Okay, so I'm gonna wet my hair again, and for this gel I'm gonna take not too much, like a quarter size amount, and just rake it through. So let me go ahead, start on this side over here, just gonna get it wet again. And I like to do it this way because I like to give the leave-in conditioner a chance to soak into my hair a little bit before I go in with the gel. So the gel is clear and runny, almost like water. It's not thick at all. I don't know if you've ever seen this gel, but this is kind of what it looks like. Like it's more like a serum than an actual gel, and that's why I love it, because it gives me a soft hold. So now I'm just gonna take this. I'm not gonna section my hair at all, and I'm just really just lightly just running the gel over the top of my hair. So I'm not raking it in or finger combing it in. I'm literally just kind of smoothing it through my hair like this, smoothing it just for that whole section, just smoothing it. If I really wanted some defined curls, I could take like a section right here and smooth it through, and then just kind of finger coil it like I did there. Can you see it? That section might be too big. Let me make it a little bit smaller. Just kind of, and finger coil it a little bit. Can you see a little curl there? And I might go and grab this one and just kind of finger coil it a little bit. and you can see them there. I don't always do this. If I really want to define wash and go, I will, but in this case I'm not. I'm just gonna smooth it through, smooth it through, smooth it through, and that's it. So now for the other side, I may try to, let me try to do a little bit in the front, just because these are the pieces that are gonna frame my face. There we go. And yeah. Guys, I don't know about you, but for my wash and goes, water is my best friend. Water is a must. Water just, I don't know what it is. Water is the ultimate moisturizer, and then the leave-in, I feel like it's locking in the water, and then the gel is locking in the leave-in. That's how I think of it in my head. So the same thing I did on this side over here, I'm just gonna take a quarter size amount for the whole section. I'm gonna warm it up in my hands, and I'm just going to smooth it through my hair. So we're gonna go like this, top, and I really wanna focus on this front section right here since it is in my face. I don't know if you could tell, but the moment that I put the gel on my hair, it clumps my curls together. Can you see that, guys? How much definition and shine is already giving me. Then I'm just gonna go through here and just, I think they call this the praying hands method, where you just smooth the product through. Grab a couple little curls back here and finger coil it. Just a couple. Then finger coil it a little bit. See that? And then the front of my face. And I can get it to coil a little bit. A little bit. I really want to focus on this point right here. Just really want to massage. Might take a little bit more gel because I really want to massage that in there. And just make sure that's nice and defined. Then I'm just still just raking it through. Raking it. Not raking it, guys. I mean smoothing it through. Smoothing it through. And guys, it's literally just that simple. My whole lazy day wash and go routine, this is what I should call it, because I literally just co-washed my hair, rinsed it out, came and sat down, raked these products through, and this whole process took me about 45 minutes. And this is what I've been doing all summer long. So these are the results.